Today we are going to try a very special Bhutanese dish called Kewa Datshi. Kewa in Bhutanese means potatoes. So we're going to use potatoes, a lot of cheese, tomatoes, chili and onions. And our dear chef Chandra is going to help us make this today. Using some water. Okay.
So first step is boiled.
These are boiled potatoes sliced into nice thinly pieces.
And then water and then you boil with it.
No. So this is already boiled. Just putting it in a little bit of water. Now, our chef says this is one of the easiest dishes he prepares. Okay, what's next, chef? Chilies.
Ema.
Okay. Now goes the chili inside this. These are special Bhutanese chili. And looks like we are steaming it for a while. So we are bringing this to a boil. Takes about 5 minutes, chef? Okay. Okay, so we have boiled this for almost 5 minutes. It's coming to a boil.
So this chili can be our chili.
This could be the bhajia chili actually. Now goes the onion in this. Thinly sliced onion and thinly sliced tomatoes.
कुछ ऐसे कट करके देख रहे हो?
Salt to taste. Now the gas is on sim and we are putting some fresh butter in this. Oh, Amul butter. All our favorite. Wow. Nice big slice of butter. Well, in about 6 odd minutes, I think this has come to a boil. We are just waiting for the butter to melt inside this, and now we are putting in the cheese. This is just grated Amul cheese from a nice big block. We're putting a lot of cheese in this. Very good. Look at this now. This looks yum already. Okay. Finally completed. This entire thing took about 8 minutes. The very, very yummy Kewa Datshi already ready. Thank you, Chef Chandra. Okay. After that 8 minutes effort, I think it's time to try this out. This looks yum. We already saw the ingredients. Let's try this.
This also handmade.
Here we go. Oh man, it's just heavenly. No wonder people would want to have it again and again. Wow. So chef said the best way to have this is with red rice, which grows locally at Paro and in several places in Bhutan. It is brilliant. We are having it with jeera rice, but it's still like amazing. This is the same mirchi bhajia wala mirchi that you get back in India. So if you want to make something different from that mirchi bhajia, here you have it. And in 8 minutes it was just ready. All the best. Thank you.